This is Wednesday the 7th of August 2024 when the Irish are still Kildare. We're with techno music and other horses at the Backyard Yard.
Want grass? Grass? Lucian, this is one here. Hello, girl. Hello. Hello. Grass?
Silken Ocean.
Open it open.
Fitted by Calic.
Hello, dear. You remember me, don't you? You remember me, don't you? Silken Ocean. How are you, Gareth? How's my friend Silken Ocean? How's my friend Silken Ocean? How are you, Gareth? How are you, Gareth? How are you? How's my friend Silken Ocean? How are you, Gareth? Do you remember me? Do you remember me, Gareth? How are you? How are you, Gareth? How are you? How's my friends? How's my friend Silken Ocean? How are you, Gareth? Can I see your face up here? Here, see your face. How's my friend? How are you, girl? Great to see you again, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my voice is all over the place.
Mm-hmm.
They're all coming over this side, aren't they? Well,
Yeah.
all the mares come over here. The grass is terrible here, Lee. Huh? Grass is terrible here. It's not over there, but that path is. Where's that path? You know that open path? It's up there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Huh? You know that open path?
Where are you going now?
You know the path where I go to see a Flaming Princess? You know the path where I went over to see a Flaming Princess? Is that path up?
Yeah, I think it's up there.
There.
At the gates, turn left.
Yeah.
There's nothing there, I think. I can see from here.
It's the grass.
Oh, yeah.
Got the grass back up there.
I'll wait for you here, okay?
clouds, look.
Yeah, yeah.
You put the camera on there and
It's on. It's on.
What are you filming?
I'm filming the horses.
Yeah, come on closer. You get the names of these folks here. See if we can get the names in it. Who's this one here?
Failure by Calyx. Sticking Ocean.
Sticking Ocean. See if we can get the name of that one.
Don't see a tag.
Let's tag it
Oh,
out.
there is one. Yeah, it's a good boy, girl, whatever it is. Failure by TFALO. Techno music.
It's Philly by who?
TFALO.
Yes, yes. What's the name? She's visiting?
No.
Over this one here?
I'm just giving you that one.
Or you just say who she's visiting?
No.
The dog can say who she's visiting next on the card, you know. Isn't that great back to Vega? Coming back.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. Vega's back, coming back, folks. I had thought, I assumed that she was retired, or I was thought to. I was made to think that she had retired. So I was talking to an owner, one of her owners, she stood there. That this year, last year, it was last year.
Last year, I think, yeah.
Last year in the reception, and I was earlier this year, and she said that she was taking her in the shop, and you were in the restaurant, and I think it was two of our owners said that she thinks she's retired, and she was still on the stud, but she would be offside. She said, so she was retired. I think her phone last year was the last one. Apparently, I was watching the race on TV there. I think it was yesterday. They were talking about Fasel Vega and all the progeny of the Vega and all the and Carmeletta, who had her debut win in Galway, the Galway Festival, and Aurora Vega, who had a successful win there as well last weekend. So she's doing very well. Aurora Vega was her foal from 2018, her third foal, and so when we met at the stud also, and so we're talking about the progeny, talking about the fortunate passing of Fasel Vega, talking about the fortunate passing of Fasel Vega, who passed away on Tuesday, the 30th of July, and he was saying that Vega herself is back in foal with Walk in the Park, who is also the star of the late Fasel Vega. So there you go. So she looks like she's coming back next year. Which is good news. Right. Coming back next year. But she's not for that. And she's turned 20, she only turned 20. She turned 20 was the last year.
Yeah.
She turned 20 this year, sorry. This year, I beg pardon, no, you know. She was born the same year as Hurricane. One same year as Hurricanes, which is 20 this year, not right?
Yeah.
20 this year, yeah. Has it gone off? I think she's going to be fed up. See if we can get some more horses up here.
I think it's lunchtime.
See if there's anything up here. But the other side by the stables.
What?
I'll see you anything here by the stable.
Okay, pause video.
Pause it.